This is Joe. For $5 a week, Joe can buy a coffee, bread and milk, or a bucket of popcorn. But Joe has decided to become a high fiver and give her $5 a week to the Fiver for a Future campaign. What is the Fiver for a Future campaign? Well, it's an easy way to make a big impact for children and young people in your neighbourhood. For just $5 a week, Joe's gift joins with hundreds of others in her local community to develop and launch exciting new support services to better care for children and young people through school chaplaincy, camps, and at-risk youth programs. It's that easy. Fiver for a Future is unique because your weekly $5 contributes to developing specific support services which have been identified for your local community to better develop the future for your community's children and young people. You too can help improve the future for young people in your neighbourhood by joining Joe in the Fiver for a Future campaign. Simply visit fiverforafuture.org.au to find out what youth support service your team is supporting and become a high fiver today.